Congress candidate Pynshngain and Syiem addressed a rally in Maukar Pinthomkra, criticizing the MDA government's handling of the Investment Meghalaya Agency. Syiem vowed to protect local communities by preventing forced land acquisitions for industrial projects. He pledged to fight for the rights of Khasi people. Syiem promised better economic opportunities for the youth if elected. He urged voters to reject the MDA's policies and choose Congress for real change. His speech received strong support from the crowd.
Investment Meghalaya Agency Hana Bandung Bantiap Lord Yagi Kendau Islap Hari Kasi Hakakartang Jong IMA Nga siap ting bayok ki thiet di kendau ka kendau ka pasundor tang arspa kan kiu arhajar ibaduk ki bajenjar hakata ka por kinsam ki ya bantiap wala ka kendau bansong hari lajong bungtang ilang tham ya ka district council bansin syar ka Congress party ka banam island ya ka sarkar bakan rai bat le ka pamon ya ki breu ki jongi hari long kasi jongi dalam video ya ka ju ka party nga siap ting yo ba idei tang ki robar stam jong ka sarkar Meghalaya